Good morning, welcome to Doggy Days and Farm Stays. This week we have our record of new dogs.
We do, we've got 5 new dogs this week, which is pretty exciting.
Yeah, so we'll show you them all. Let's
Check them out.
Check them out.
Talking new dogs, guys.
Yes, last week we had Reggie.
Reggie has come to join us.
Big
yes.
Reggie,
He's a Mastiff.
beautiful little boy.
Yeah, only a pup, but he's a big boy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and he...
So he came last week, as we were doing Halloween, we sort of didn't get to introduce him, so we're going to introduce him and call him a new dog this week.
Yeah, Reggie, join us.
And how lucky is everybody that there's 3 of us here today?
I know.
Ah, it's everybody. It's everybody.
Lana was missing working with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's had to deal with Brit a bit, so
Well, you would have seen Blake a little bit on our videos. Now, Blake's done an injury to himself in a motorbike race, so he's out. And
scapula, wasn't it?
he
Something
did
like that?
break his scapula, so
Back here.
yep, that's your shoulder blade-ish.
Yeah.
So Blake's in hospital. Hope you get better, Blake.
Get better, Blake.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll see you
He
one
was-
day again soon.
Maybe if everyone wants to know, he was at the Kalgoorlie Desert Race.
Yeah,
Coming top 30, doing an amazing job.
but we do have a new edition next week.
We do have a new edition next week, but that's a next week thing.
Spoiler!
Right.
Spoiler alert!
Anyway, Reggie. We'll
Reggie.
talk about Reggie.
Oh, yes.
He's a very sweet boy.
Yep,
He's quite relaxed.
he is. And
he fits straight in.
he
There's no issues, no problems.
Perfect
No.
edition.
absolutely.
Just love it.
Love it.
it like that.
Other new dog to the pack. We got the Mastiff crew, hey, at the moment.
Yeah, little Quinn.
Quinn, she is the zoomie queen.
Yeah.
Loving it.
Loving it. Zoomies everywhere.
Bog laps.
Yeah.
Getting bog
First
laps
thing
on.
she did when she got to daycare.
Zoomies and did not stop for the entire day.
No, she was a real sweet girl, very affectionate.
Yes, so that was amazing. And Quinn, welcome to our pack.
Why are you in the shop, mate?
Oh, look at this. We haven't seen these for a while because the drone's been broken, but I'm sure we'll come back to the leaves soon. Next up for introductions
Talk it
this
up.
week is Mr. Bruno.
Yeah, Lexi's little friend.
Lexi's friend
Mega
Bruno. So they have come because they know each other and they've had a great day here together. They've been running around.
They've been hanging out a lot.
Another great little addition.
Another great little addition.
Oh, there he is over
There he is.
Here he comes.
To Lexi.
Next to Lexi.
Good on you, Brune. They're a
Very
bit intrigued by the goats at the moment, so they're down there having a little look. So, welcome, Brune.
Stay tuned for more of Bruno.
Coco! Next up is little Coco. She's Otis's doppelganger.
Little cutie.
Yeah, she's a little cutie. So,
She's a sweet little girl.
yes.
Very, very playful.
Also loves zooming.
Apparently doesn't like missing out on anything, so we might have to let her have a bit more of a rest time.
She might have to have a bit more of a forced rest at rest time. But that's okay. Sometimes the new ones need that anyway. And yeah, welcome to the pack. It's a very exciting week, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I've got a lot of dogs.
Let's see if we can get quickly
Lot of new
them
dogs.
looking, seeing how much they look like each other. Otis.
Otis never.
We're
Boy.
trying to see your face, Otis. This one's Otis. Hello, Otis. Yes. Good boy.
Slightly bigger.
Slightly bigger.
But he's a
Coco
man,
Melon.
he should be
Oh,
bigger.
there they came together. Good on you guys. Good on you, mate.
They've got the same face marks.
Same facial marks, but Coco's a little bit smaller and a little bit lighter. Hey, Odie. Good boy, mate.
Hey, Bobby.
Who wants space?
Brit's behind the branches. You right, mate? You want to come this side of the branches?
I think she's trying to get away from
Well, then Kev's
Kevin.
not moving closer.
She's trying to get away from Kevin, that's what I can see.
Kev's got problems, mate.
You're going to go in the middle.
Brittany's too tall for this. Anywho, we got the tall one in the middle, and Bronxy. What can we say about him?
He was very easy addition.
He was.
Straight in with the pack.
Loved the motorbike,
Yeah.
loved everything. So far, he has been involved in every little thing,
Yeah.
and nothing scares him.
No, he's a real sweetheart.
Real sweetie. And yeah, we're loving him.
Oh, you just fell from the tree. You can take notice. Oh. Is that your girlfriend? Look at him. Oh.
How do you think I feel?
Well, everybody, that's a wrap on this week. It's a fun week.
That was a good week.
Loving all the new dogs.
Yeah, they're all great additions.
And yeah, thank you so much for joining us.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We'll see you on the next one. Our Vito Zane gurus.
Uru.
Toodles.
Toodaloo! Kev, when you get the drone back, maybe you're going to get in these trees again or what? Day one, no.
Drone's back out, mate, and I haven't landed on a tree once, but the drone has been a bit weird. It has hit the roof in the patio a couple of times. But not me though. Just had mouths. Wasn't doing what I asked it to do.
Operator error.
No way, man.
Yeah, way, man.
Technical error.
Technical errors.